Yo, what's good? We're back at it again. Back here at the skate park. My boy Matt.
For the second day.
Weather was worse the first day. It's clearing up now. We're gonna get some, I don't know what we're gonna get in. He said he's gonna tail whip up the marble. We're gonna see about that. It's kind of slick. He gonna bust his ass. New to the channel, don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you like the content. Give me a nice fat like on the video and enjoy today's. Luckily the marble does dry pretty quick. I said the marble does dry pretty quick for it being marble. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Got it? Yeah. Heard it. Huh? I said I heard it. That bitch was not. That one was nice. Because I'm off balance. Oh, it was money. Let's get it. Now for the hard part.
Oh, I got one. This might be getting a little too ballsy, but.
Oh yeah, that's ballsy. That's ballsy. Whew. I missed it.
Like a north.
Hey, saw that?
Yeah. He coming. Park Ranger.
That's who that is?
Mm-hmm.
Glad I brought the skateboards.
Hey y'all, the scooter's not allowed in there.
Guess we'll go get skateboards then.
Scooters are not allowed. Bicycles and scooters.
Let's go get the skateboards.
Sorry about that.
Hey, since like 10 years ago, we were like 50
Yeah, but they changed the rules a couple months ago.
Couple months ago? That bitch.
And I was like, before I even died.
Yeah, I was like that for you right here.
Get your ass.
So the park ranger just told us to put our scooters up. What he don't know is when he leaves, they coming right back out. Cause what are they hurting? They bothering y'all? See? Just people trying to be mean to us. That's all it is. People trying to be mean to us.
Now, I bet if it was a little kid, he wouldn't have told him shit.
Yeah, if it was a little kid. What?
Kid, come out the. Where's your parent at?
He just don't know. We're gonna get him back out in a minute. It's all good. Ooh, dropping in the bowl, yeah. Matt, you gonna do it?
I thought about it.
You gonna drop in the bowl?
I thought about it.
Do it. Oh no. Oh no. He's gone. Ah! Water hazard.
Told you. I thought about
Water hazard. I dropped in right up here one time, and yeah, it took like 2 beers from the bar down the road, and then it was like pitch black at night. My buddy Phil, who y'all seen in the last video, if you haven't seen, you should get out of this one and go watch it and then come back to this one, or finish this one and go to that one. Anyway, Phil hyped me up and was like, bro, do it, you should do it. You can't be a chicken all your life. Of course he said another word, but I mean, it was motivation, so I did it. Dropped in, wasn't nothing to it. I got speed wobbles right down here. Got speed wobbles as I went up this little transition or hill, whatever you want to call it. Went up that, because like when you come down, it launches you into this little hill. So I got speed wobbles like up here somewhere. So I ran back up to the top, dropped in again, ran back around, dropped in again, did it 3 times. And that last time it was smooth, but I don't feel like doing it again right now. Ah! Bro, what was that?
Scary, bro.
Come on, bro, you got this? You got it? I can ollie. Yikes!
I got off balance.
Bro, you left the board. And the board's still up there, finish it off. Oh, it's hot. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Ain't so much hot, it's just muggy. Very muggy. Yeah. Will he land this? Oh, yeah. Oh, I left my shoe. I'm telling you, bro, if you want cardio, it's the place to be. Skate park, pumping all these transitions on a skateboard, that's cardio. I don't care who you are. Let's see some cardio, B. McTwist. Oh, what's good, bro?
What's up, bro?
My boy Trey from high school. Out here killing it. Hadn't seen him in a minute. Let's see if he got a little snaz in it. Ah! Wow, bro. That's what I'm talking about. As you see, me and Matt got them scooters back out because we some savages. Let's go.
Money shot.
Got Trey out here on the scoot gang. Oh! It's almost like a skateboard in the same way. You turn your head, keep it tight. Oh! I thought I was gonna catch you. Let's go, Trey. Oh! Oh, there we go. All right, we're gonna end the video here, guys. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn your notification bell on, because we out this thing. See you back in the next vlog. It's Riding with Lee. Peace out. Woo!